How to use aiming strategy in fish games. First of all, open the Fire Kirin game and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, from the main screen or game lobby, open the fish game you want to play. Once the game starts, observe the movement pattern of the fish on the screen. Some fish move slowly in the straight line, while others move quickly or change direction frequently. Focus on targeting the slow-moving or medium-sized fish first, as they are easier to hit and give you better chances of collecting coins. Use your aiming control to follow the fish instead of shooting randomly. Adjust your aim slightly ahead of the fish movement to increase your accuracy. If your game offers an auto-aim or lock-on feature, enable it to help you aim more efficiently, especially during fast gameplay. Avoid wasting bullets on high-value fish that move too fast or are surrounded by smaller ones unless you have enough coins or stronger firepower. Practicing this aiming strategy regularly can help you save coins and improve your overall success in fish games. Now you know how to use aiming strategy in fish games. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.